Experience driving perfection in the 2018 Ford Transit 150. With just over 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle rocks its class with 6-cylinder efficiency and distinctive styling. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, remote keyless entry, and much more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.